Probability, example 33D. In a standard deck of 52 cards, what are the odds in favor of drawing a spade? So if we're looking for odds, we want to know the number of successes. So how many are spades? And then the number of failures. How many are not spades? So we know for a fact that there are 13 spades in a deck of cards. So how many are not spades? Well, that would be 52 minus 13, and that's going to give us 39. So finally, we're in a scenario where we need to reduce. So we actually want to put, since 13 goes into this number and this number evenly, our odds need to be expressed as 1 to 3. E. There are 6 green, 9 red, and 4 white M&Ms in a fun-sized pack. What are the odds against selecting a green M&M? So we're looking for the ratio of failures to successes. So if we're looking at the odds against selecting a green M&M, and we're going to need to put our 6 right here for the green. Now, how many others did we have? 13. So that's our odds, a ratio of 13 to 6 against selecting a green M&M. Now that does not, well, it can't be simplified, so we're done with that.